Stop scrolling. I feel like this isn't talked about enough, so here's some of the best ways to reverse tooth decay. Let's get it. So first up on the list we have coconut oil. One of the best ways to use coconut oil is through oil pulling. This is when a person switches coconut oil in their mouth and around their teeth. And what this does is have a cleansing effect around the mouth and removes bacteria and plaque buildup. Now I recommend doing this about 3 times a week for about 20 minutes at a time. And next up on the list is cloves, which is right here. So cloves are one of the oldest remedies to treat toothache. So cloves can treat both pain of a cavity and also restore tooth enamel. And combining clove oil with coconut oil during the oil pulling phase. This is like key essential when it comes to reversing tooth decay. Also, once done with oil pulling, make sure that you dispose it in the trash instead of the sink as it can clog drains. What I like to do after that is remineralize my teeth with black cumin seed, which is right here. And this is what black cumin seed looks like in its true form, but I like to use the oil instead. Click link in bio and visit blackveganshop.com to order black cumin seed and follow Black Vegan Shop for more.